Now, last time I talked with Stash, we had way more information to tell you. And so, stay tuned for the continuation here in episode 2 on EDI 850s. What's your advice for teams trying to avoid performance pitfalls with high volume 850s?
I've got 4 big tips for you. The first one is, like we said before, create 850s as sales journals. They'll insert much faster because there's a lot less business logic involved. 2, make sure all of your sales order extensions consider sales order type and state when you design them. D365 is a chatty system, and you don't want superfluous logic running at the wrong time. 3, consider importing headers and lines separately for parallelism. And 4, look at business events. If you're not using business events, they cause a lot of overhead, and you should deactivate them in the catalog.
Can you give us an example of where you were able to improve 850 EDI performance?
For sure. My personal record is I had a 65,000 line 850 that was taking 21 hours to import, and I got it down to 80 minutes applying those 4 recommendations.
Okay, so we're in the age of AI right now, as you well know. How does AI fit into EDI?
First of all, let's keep in mind that EDI has international standards and is system agnostic. So a lot of people around the world are in the same boat as you. GPT has decades of training on this content. So AI is naturally great at translating all of these EDI documents to natural language.
So if someone wants to get better at understanding EDI, especially the 850, what's the best way to start learning?
So one is use ChatGPT. Like we just said, it knows all this stuff, so ask it. This is very public information that's very easy to research. And then 2, make an intention. I recognized EDI as a pain point on numerous projects, and being the sore loser that I am, I decided I just wouldn't let myself get lost or not understand what was happening on the next time around. Another example is I was on a project where not one team member had previous experience with a certain document, so I figured we all have an equal opportunity to figure it out. Why not me?
Exactly. Why not you? Why not all of us? So there you have it. EDI 850s may technically be old school, but they're often responsible for over 90% of order volume in high volume businesses. Getting them right means getting everything else downstream, fulfillment, planning, and invoicing, off to a strong start. So, huge thanks to my friend Stash for walking us through it.
Thanks for having me, Mel. I can't wait for next time.
All right, catch you guys next time on Sunrise Compass. See you later.